Welcome everyone.
Lepo zdrav vsem.
This week we are continuing to talk about the spirit of victory.
Ta teden ponovno govorimo o duhu zmage.
And in the Bible it talks about the spies that went into the promised land.
V Stari zavezi smo govorili o ugleduhih, ki so šli v obljubljeno deželo.
Moses sent 12 spies into Canaan land.
Mojsij je poslal 12 ugleduhov v zelo izvoljeno deželo.
10 of them came back with a bad report.
10 jih je prišlo nazaj s slabo novico.
They said, "We can't do it. It's too hard."
Rekli so, mi tega ne bomo zmogli, ne bomo mogli osvojiti te dežele, to je pretežko za nas.
But Joshua and Caleb said, "We are more than able to overcome this."
Ampak Joshua in Caleb sta pa rekla, mi smo več kot zmagovalci in to lahko naredimo.
God is with us.
Bog je z nami.
And their defense is gone from them.
In njihova obramba je šla stran od njih.
This is easy for God.
To je za Boga lahko kot perest.
Just don't turn your heart against the Lord.
Samo ne odbrnimo srca svojih src stran od Gospodu.
And don't be afraid of the people in that land.
In ne bojte se ljudi v teh deželah.
And Joshua and Caleb had a different spirit.
In Joshua in Kaleb sta imela drugačen duh.
They had a spirit of faith.
Imela sta duha vere.
They believed God was with them.
Verjela sta, da je Bog z njima.
That God could help them win in every situation.
Da jo Bog lahko reši iz vsake neželene situacije.
They had a spirit of victory.
Imela sta duha zmage.
They rejoiced and celebrated in the strength of God.
Uživala sta in praznovala v moči Gospoda.
And God loves when we have faith.
In Bog ljubi, kadar imamo vero.
He is able to move for those who trust in Him.
Za nas lahko premika gore tistim, ki mu zaupamo.
Have a blessed day. See you tomorrow.
Pa.